let's start the main part of the game of the class. Sorry, these are main part games. Okay, they are more powerful. They are more maybe some of them. Okay, now the first game. Sorry, is the game that the students like the most. They really like it. Okay, I'm telling you. They go like, oh my God, but I know for sure that they really like it. In primary school, I think definitely. In secondary school as well. Yeah. They will say, oh, I don't want to play, I don't want to play. But then actually they really want to play. It's a very easy and simple game, chasing game. You see, chasing game, those are chasing games, okay? Now, the game is called Boards and Lovers. Boards and Lovers. Okay? Can you tell me the translation in Catalan? Anybody? Boards and Lovers. Can you? Yeah. The translation in Catalan? Yes? And? Yes! Very good! Applause! Very good. All right. Good. Now, board and lovers, okay? Well, I told you, it's a simple chasing game. But the thing is that the lovers got a very fancy way to save their friends, okay? A fancy way to save their friends. They will have to kiss them on their cheek, okay? They will have to kiss them on their cheek. So they go, I don't want to play. No, yeah, you want to play. Definitely you want to play, So the thing is, when I start the class, I ask them to make a line. Can you make a line, please? On the yellow line, make a line. And I say, oh, where's Carlos? Oh, Carlos, are you in love? Yes. Okay, so you will be lover. Anna, are you in love? Yes. Oh God. Okay, we have to. Okay. Where's Vicente? Vicente, are you in love? Oh God, that's very good. Okay, when you do these to students, they go, no, I'm not. I'm not. You can say, I thought you were in love. They say, oh yeah, she's in love with whatever. No, I'm not. It's part of the game. Okay, it's part of the game. So now we will need top, red or blue top for the board team. Okay, because there will be two teams, the board team and the lover team. All right. I'm going to take the. Can you bring me the blue tops? That bag over there. Thank you. Okay. Now, somebody have to tell me, no, I'm not in love. I'm not. Okay. Are you in love? Oh God, come on. We have to get somebody not in love. Are you in love? Okay, come here. All right. Put it on. All right. Put it on. Are you in love? Really? Oh, come on. Are you in love? Come here. Yeah. With the students, it happens the other way. They always say no. Maybe sometimes someone says, yes, I'm in love with, and everybody goes crazy, But mainly they say, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. Okay. Are you in love? Ah, come on. You're not in love. Come here. You're not in love. Come on, put it on. Good. Are you in love? No, I'm not. No, you're not in love. Come on, come here. Okay. Put it on. Now, are you in love? You. Are you in love as well? Dang. Everybody is in love in here. Are you? You're not. Come here. Good. Are you in love? Come here. Always the same, It depends on how many you are, the team will be bigger or shorter, okay? If you play with 20, there must be at least 7, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Let's one more. Are you in love? No, you're not. Come here. Come on. Good. This is the board team. All right. You know he is. Oh God. Okay, now, come here, Anna. Now, I explained to you, okay, it's a simple game of chasing, a chasing game, okay, basic chasing game. Now, the thing is, you go running all over the place, the game starts just running all over the place, everybody, okay? You cannot go after anybody because sometimes students, you know, they're running and they're just going after somebody, you know? And when you say go, they say go, they catch them, okay? Say, come on, go along, you know, leave everybody alone, go around, and when I say go, you will must to catch, you will must go after the lovers, okay? Now, you have to take a little bit, don't go like this, don't grab and take the shirt out, okay? But it's not touching, okay? If you want to catch them, it's not touching. You must to grab a little bit. Grab, when you feel they're grabbing, you must stop, okay? Now, what they're going to do, they are, now she's cut, and she cannot move. But the game is not over for her, because you will be able to save her. Okay? Now, how do we have to save her? How do you have to save her? You have to go running and kiss her on her cheek. You go like this, and you get away. Okay? Now, you have to tell the students, okay, listen, this is not saving. Okay, this is not saving. No, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Okay? You must make a nice kiss on a cheek. Sometimes I say, well, do you want to kiss on the mouth? Do you want to kiss a big kiss? Say, oh my God. You know, okay, just on the cheeks. On the cheeks, all right? And you must say, everybody has to save everybody. Actually, they do. Because they understand very fast that if they don't save, they won't win. Okay? They won't win. So they have to save very fast. Okay? Because otherwise, board will win. Okay? Now, the game takes maybe 1 minute, and then you count from 5 to 0. When you say 0, if there's at least one lover running around, you win. Everybody win. But if before I say 0, they cut everybody, board won. Okay? Board wins.
So difficult for
all right? No, it won't be. You know, it's very, you need, okay, let me tell you one thing. Don't go beyond these lines, okay? Don't go, students will do. You will go after that, No, this is the out of bounds, okay? This is out of bounds. Don't go beyond the columns, okay? Because we'll be a little dangerous, all right? And now, when you win, if you win, you come together and you go, we win, whatever, okay? So, sometimes I say, come and you crying, oh my God, Okay, it's just to make a little fun, all right? Okay, are you ready? This is the out of bound line, okay? Don't go either outside this yellow line, okay? We're playing this place, okay? Come on, everybody running. Get ready. Okay, I'm not playing, okay? I'm just watching, all right? I'm not playing. Well, I like to play, okay? But I'm just going to watch. Go! Come on, save your friends! Save your friends! Save your friends! Save your friends! Save them! Okay. Oh, very good. All right. Come on, everybody. Go, go. Come on, people. All right. It was close. Let me tell you one thing. We will play one more time, okay? What you do is now, since you play maybe 3 or 4 times, you let the team to play at least twice, so maybe they got the chance to win, okay? So you are going to play the same, and then we will change the tops, okay? Now, 1 second, I forgot to say something. The lovers, you cannot stay still. You cannot stay like this, because then board might think you are caught. You understand what I'm saying? So I always say my students to say, keep on running, at least like this, okay? Because if you stay still, lovers cannot know if you are on the game or you are caught. Do you understand? You must say so. Because, you know, students are very clever. They're very clever, you know? And so they go right ahead, okay? And then they go like this, you know, no, come on, that's not fair. That's not fair, okay? They cannot stop. They must keep running, at least, you know, side running like this, you know. Now, let me ask you one more question. Who did save anybody? Who did save somebody? Yeah? Only one? Two? That's the reason you lose. That's the reason you have lost. Yes, because if you do not save your friends very fast, then lovers are going catching, and the game is over. You must go saving your friends. Okay? If you don't, you won't win. Okay? Come on, let's try it one more time. Come on. Everybody running. Come on. Go! Got you. You must stay. You must stay. Now they got you. You must stay. Come on, safer. Safer. Very good. Get away. Oh. Yeah. Safer. Very good. Very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right. Very good. There are. Did they cheat? Oh, hold on. Somebody says, his friend says that you cheated. Do you think so? Oh God. Okay, let me tell you. He is joking, but it's real life. Okay, it's real life. In the games, the students say, oh, they didn't kiss each other. Oh, I grabbed him and he didn't stop. He kept on running. He kept on running. Okay, well, you have to watch very carefully, and you have to deal with those problems, okay? Now, what you would do now is you would change the blue top with your friends, okay? And then we will play a game, all right? Notice it's not long. It takes very short. It's like one game, it's 1.5 minutes, you know? It's very fast, so it's better to change, okay? And let the students be lovers and also be bored. Okay? Is that clear? What do you think? Now, let me ask you one question. What do you think about doing this with secondary school, in high school? What do you think? Really? I bet you they will like. I bet you they will like. Come on, you have to say, hey, it's just a game. It's not really real life. Okay? Just, you can try. You know, I play with the older students, 6th grade students in the school. They still like to play, you know. They say no, oh God, no, but then they want to play, you know. You know why? They like touching, they like kissing, but they are shy. Okay, they are shy to do it. But if you let them to touch in a game, not seriously, in a game, they will. And they like. I'm positive they like. Okay? So you can try. Maybe it won't work. Okay. But let's try, you know. They like to touch each other. Yes?
Maybe not at the same time. Maybe clapping the hand.
Yeah, well, you can do it. Yeah, you can do it. But the thing is, this game, I told you, it's a simple, basic chasing game. The only funny thing, the strange thing, the funny thing, the fancy thing, it's the way. Sometimes they go like down there, you know. They go like this, they go like this. Hey, I like this game, and they like this game because they kiss each other. That's for sure, okay? So you can do it in different ways, but they like this game because they kiss each other, okay? For sure, all right?